Hello, welcome to iSlide channel. In today's video, we will share what theme colors are, why we need to use theme colors and how to uniform colors. Let's start. Theme color is a predefined set of colors that you apply to your slides for a unified, professional look. You can find theme colors in design variants colors. Here, you can choose from dozens of theme colors provided by Microsoft PowerPoint. Also, you can customize the theme colors you need or choose from iSlide Color Library, where offers thousands of theme color schemes. Besides theme colors, some people might use standard colors and other colors in a presentation, which might cause an unprofessional look. Here is an example. These are the default theme colors. These are standard colors, which are fixed colors. These are custom colors. We highly suggest you to apply theme colors at the beginning of making presentations. We will show you why we need to use theme colors. Using a theme gives your presentation a harmonious appearance with minimal effort. For example, when you add graphics, tables, shapes, and so on, to your slides, PowerPoint applies theme colors that are compatible with other slide elements. Okay, I will change a theme color scheme and see. Let's back to the previous slide. If you already made a presentation using theme colors, standard colors and other colors, how can you do if you want to uniform the colors to theme colors? Just try iSlide Uniform Color feature. These are theme colors. These colors marked with question mark are non-theme colors. These are theme colors we applied in this presentation. Here, you can choose to apply the changes to all slides, selected slides or slides array. If you have any doubt about his feature, you can click on the question mark at the top right corner to check the text tutorial about this feature. Okay, let's uniform colors. You click to select one color and then click the theme color you want to replace with, then, click here to apply changes. You can also select multiple colors to uniform them into a theme color. See. Now, all of them are theme colors. If you don't like this theme color scheme, you can also quickly replace them with other color scheme in iSlide Color Library. Let's check an example. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe iSlide for more PowerPoint tutorials. See you.